Alright guys, so that is the car that you really wanted, but they don't have it in full electric, and we're waiting to get this one in full electric. Alright, so yeah. What's up guys, today we're here again with another video, and today, we're heading to the dealership to go and pick up another car. To purchase another car, so we're going there and pick it up. And guess what guys, this car is for yeah guys, so yeah, that's what we've been doing. And I know you guys been saying like you haven't seen us lately, but we have a lot of things going on. That's why you haven't seen us lately guys, you know what I mean? Yeah, we have a lot of business moves that we're making, new businesses and everything. So there's a lot of things going on, but nevertheless, the Campbell family is always here for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we always gonna give you content, Yeah, I try my best. Even though we are so busy and doing so much other stuff, yeah, we still try our best to get these contents out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so don't worry guys, just stay tuned, you know what I mean? See you when we get to the dealership, alright? So that is the car that you really wanted, but they don't have it in full electric, and we're waiting to get this one in full electric. Alright, so yeah. But the full electric won't be here until 2024. So this is the 2023. Yeah, this is what we really wanted, so we're gonna get it next year. So for now we have the Discovery, because this is what we really wanted. So we just get the Discovery. It worked fine. But yeah, these are our 7-seat, but these one here are still gas. It's the 2023 Range Rover, alright? So yeah, but we're gonna get the full electric, which will not be available till next year. So right now we're on the waiting list for that, because there's a long waiting list guys. Alright, so yeah, this is what we're actually waiting on. Alright, just tell us what you think guys, comment and tell us what you think. Alright, yeah, 2023 Range Rover Sport. So we're waiting on the 2024 all electric Range Rover Sport. Alright, yeah guys. So we can't even get to see inside of it because it's closed up. It's already sold, so we can't see inside because it's sold. Yeah, these guys are selling like hot bread guys. These guys are selling like hot bread. They're going real fast. All right, yeah, but ours is gonna be the full electric, so we have to wait. All right, so while waiting, we're gonna be driving the Discovery. Okay guys, say yeah. Yeah. You wanna make coffee? Yeah. You make me some? You make me some?
I'm gonna make you some right now. What you want? Cappuccino?
Yeah.
Alright, take it.
Alright, take yours and you're gonna do another one?
Yeah.
Oh, good of you. Alright, thanks. Yeah guys, this is where you have to have a nice lady. Yeah. Take mine and get another one. See? You have to make sure you find a nice lady. You heard what she said? Take mine and she'll get another one.
Alright guys, so we just got done signing off on a car. This is something that we had to do before school opened because we wanted the 7-seaters. The car that we really wanted is not going to be ready until 2023, so we're going to get this one until they get it in. They already put us on the list, so we just got to wait and see how long it takes. And that guy made it possible. So we about to pull out in another car.
So you're excited?
Yes, I am.
I can see that.
Woo-hoo!
Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Yeah man, yeah guys, you know we're at the dealership. We're just waiting, you know what I mean? Yeah. Just waiting.
Just waiting on the dog.
This setting here. Yeah. They just mostly love the sleeping. You just wake up. You can see that. Yeah, wipe off your mouth. Wipe off your mouth. Kai.
Didn't even know you were going.
Kai.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Yeah. And then we have Malik over there. You
Yeah.
know. Yes, this the little brother, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Alright, yeah. So everybody waiting, you know what I mean? We're just here at the dealership waiting. Alright guys, so you know, this is it. And show you with the license plate because you know. This is it. What did it say? Sold. Yeah, sold. Yeah guys, this is it. You know. Look at that. There we go. How we feeling? How we looking?
Good.
Alright, so let's see. So yeah, the thing come up. Put it in neutral. What you do with that? Fancy.
They have the same thing as the band.
Yeah, they're gonna have the same things. It's a standard.
Sometimes.
Your phone was on.
Okay, so you need a password if they want to connect to the car?
Not to the car. You're first connecting your phone's data to the car. So we're adding a network. That would be on my phone.
Oh, okay.
Now, if you had anybody in the car, they can just connect to your phone as well.
Okay.
So there's the only reason that you would get data in your car is on navigation, for example. There is an option that you can have a satellite view, and that requires data.
Okay.
Other than that, you don't need Wi-Fi in the car.
Yeah.
If somebody needs to connect to something, you can hotspot your phone. So there's no need to spend an extra $20 a month
Yeah.
for your car. You're spending it on your phone already. Use what you have that you're already paying for.
What kind of fuel do you use? 93, right?
You don't need 93. 91 is as good as 93. So Land Rover prefers that you use a premium, which is 91 or better.
Oh.
But you don't have to do a 93. 91 is fine. You can use an 89 if you want to. Recommended the premium though, but never a regular. You know, mid-grade at the minimum. Definitely a mid-grade only, or 91 or
Because
better.
I only use 93 because I can't remember where I seen a 91 yesterday.
Sometimes they'll have 91, sometimes 92, sometimes like
I can't
Wawa
find
has probably the most choices,
Yeah.
but just a 91. If you can only get 93, then do 93. But 91 is fine.
Yeah, we do 93.
Okay.
I just do 93.
It's gonna run better. You'll
Yeah.
get better gas mileage with it as well.
I always do 93.
Perfect.
Until we go electric. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Next year. Yeah, next year we will get what we want. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Anything you want me to go through in the car?
Yeah,
Show you some
any other
things?
more features?
Well, there's a lot. So, for example, we also have storage down here. And what that is. So you have storage there. This actually is for a phone, so you put your phone there.
Okay.
Okay.
That's flat.
You got storage back here. You got a little secret storage spot back there.
I know all of that. That's a nice little storage.
There's a CD player back there too.
Yeah.
If you ever need to play a CD. But yeah, that's a little secret spot. Same with this one. You know, most people won't know those
All
are
right.
there.
So what's about the armrest?
Armrest underneath here. Storage here too.
Oh, yeah, that's storage. Ain't no fridge.
This one doesn't have the fridge. Some do, some don't.
Yeah. All right.
I mean, if you want to use navigation, you can. You just come, you know, if you're on the map, you just go ahead and minimize it. You'll touch here, and then just touch that little bar there, and you can type wherever you want to go. And it's going to show me all the nearest places and where they are in the map.
Oh, so the navigation don't necessarily need no
Doesn't need data.
it don't need no data, no nothing.
No, it doesn't need data to do that. That's all stored in the vehicle.
Okay. All right.
So or you would just go in, for example, and if you wanted to type an address, you hit search, and you touch the little map pin here, and then you would just type in the zip code, you know, type the zip code in first. And then you would type the street name,
Yeah.
and then you would type, lastly, the street number, and then you hit go.
And then you're good to go. Take you right there.
Now, if you want to, you can store certain places here. So if we want to store a home address,
Yeah.
that's when we go ahead and store. Do you want to save that there? Or no?
Not right now.
Okay.
You know. Yeah.
Some people don't like to have it stored so that if somebody gets in their car,
Yeah.
they don't know where you live.
Yes.
Radio, pretty simple stuff. You know, do we want to listen to satellite radio, AM, FM, media library is things like you've stored to the car, because you can store CDs to the vehicle. There's a 10 gigabyte hard drive that you can store certain things to.
You know, we ain't listen to radio. We really ain't gonna listen to radio.
Okay.
What about the sound system though? There's those speakers that's in the car. Those are some of the best that.
Meridian, this is the premium audio system for this car.
Oh.
This is the top end.
Oh, that's the top end.
Very good sound.
Oh, all right.
So if we go here,
This is a luxury package, right?
yes.
Oh, all right. Just making sure again. Oh, that job. Good. You find my son, Bob Marley.
Some will hate you, and you have different sounds.
Nice.
When you're in the car and all the doors are shut,
Great song. It's good. You'll be very happy with the sound system.
Bluetooth for the phone,
Yeah,
you have to
yeah.
physically connect for the Apple CarPlay. Ambient lighting, you'll have all these 5 different colors that'll light up inside. So you just pick what you like and you'll see it at night light up. You know the car's got air suspension
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
So raises and lowers.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, most of these features we already kind of familiar
Okay.
with
Gotcha.
the other cars after that.
Just note that this is terrain response. So if you were to turn this and go to that one, grass, gravel, and snow, or mud and sand, it's going to drive differently.
Yeah.
So if one day you get in the car and it feels really weird and it's sluggish, it's not shifting right, it just feels weird,
Yeah.
just make sure that you're in this mode.
Comfort.
Yes. And then just push down.
Oh, you just select it and then you push it back down.
Yes.
So yeah. Oh, you don't have no sports or nothing like that.
Sport mode is here.
Oh.
That's on the shifter. So if you go to drive and and you push down to the right, that's going to go to sport mode.
Okay, all right.
So it keeps your RPMs higher, better acceleration,
Yeah.
poor gas mileage. Less gas mileage.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely. And you have the paddle shift on this here. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much the same, you know. Yeah, guys, so this is it. This
Stop
is
your
it.
feet like this, from here to here.
She love it. All right.
You like this.
Yeah, guys, this is gonna do all the business that it should do, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys, this is it, business wise. So, they already pull out the car. Check it out, guys. Y'all like it?
Yeah.
What y'all think?
Good.
Yeah,
8 million out of 10.
1,000,000 out of 10.
2,000 out of 10.
2,000 out of 10. All right, this is where we get all the crazy numbers.
What size
look,
you want to pay for it?
their feet.
9 trillion out of 10.
All right, guys. You know, we're gonna go with the crazy numbers. Yeah, their feet, guys. It's so far away from the front seat. Yeah, and then see, but nobody around here. Just saying they have a lot of space. What's up, Malik? You ain't shouting out the Bahamas, man. 242.
Yes, sir. Okay.
All day. All right. Yeah, guys, we're gonna head on out of here now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You ready?
Yeah,
You ready?
what's the
You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright guys, so the car runs a little different. We're on our way home. It feels good. I still haven't got the seat adjusted the exact way I need it, but it's driving smooth. It's a bit different, but I like it. How y'all feel with the car?
Good.
Aw, that's awesome. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm still adjusting to it, but so far so good. And I just want to thank God for bringing it through. Guys, remember, in everything you do, give God thanks and put God first. I think I can control the speed much better on this too. The other one used to go fast. I guess what I have it in, because I have it in drive instead of sport, so maybe that's why. But yeah. I thought it was kind of big, but driving it, it doesn't feel as big. I guess when it's time to park, we'll see. But driving it it's awesome. It doesn't feel big at all.
Mia,
Yes, love.
when I'm driving, can I go in the back?
Yeah. Yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Alrighty, so we're gonna make a quick stop by the shop to Daddy to drop something off before we head home. Is oh shit, the car. Oh, okay. It's one of the dog enough to come off because I can't stand that. Especially how you just get this. It can feel weird. Weird. Oh, see Daddy right there.
Yeah, guys, so you know we're back at the shop, alright? Yeah. Happy Emancipation Day to every single Jamaican, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Every single Jamaican, every yardie. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Every yard man. Yeah. Every dread. You know what I mean? Yeah. Happy Independence Day. Happy Emancipation Day. Yeah. So it's emancipation. Now we're getting ready for independence. Yeah, and I'm gonna drop a video for independence. You already know, guys. Yeah. Who no don't know already, I go drop the video. You hear me? Yeah. Yeah, man, and I say again, in everything you do, put God first. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, put God first in everything you do, and everything that you wish for will happen. Alright? Yeah, man, everything will happen. So you hear me? It's the Campbell family, and we are out.
Okay guys, so we're at the end of this video. It's the Campbell family and we're out. Say bye.